Assalamualaikum and greetings to all. My name is AFIFAH binti Abdullah. My matric number is K46155 and I'm from Bachelor in Science Agriculture. As for today, for my academic presentation assessment task 2, I will talk about disadvantages of using chemical fertilizer for a long term. What is chemical fertilizer? Chemical fertilizer are defined as chemical fertilizer consists of an organic chemical, consists of nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium such as urea, ammonium sulfate, potassium chloride and potassium sulfate. Also, chemical fertilizer contain a certain quantity of nutrients for the plant such as nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, calcium, sulfur, boron, copper, zinc, iron and so on, including simple substance and compound fertilizer. Now, I will talk about the main issue here is long-term damage caused by using chemical fertilizer. My first issue is continuous use of chemical fertilizer can destroy the soil nutrient. All molecules in soil have their own role to give benefit to the plant, like warmth. It can improve the soil structure, but using the chemical fertilizer slowly will killing all molecule or microbe, and it can cause the result of food produced in the soil has less vitamin and mineral content. For my issue number 2, the leaching away of chemical fertilizer can pollute water because chemical fertilizer are highly soluble in water. Hence, they leaching away into groundwater and surface water without fully benefiting the plant. It can be dangerous to us humans to consume polluted water because it can give effect for a long term, and also it's not suitable to give to our crop. My issue number 3 for using a chemical fertilizer is compaction of the soil, where chemical fertilizer can seep into the subsoil because they are highly soluble in water, where they interact with clay forming impermeable layer called hard pan that cause compaction of soil. And if these issues happen to our soil, it will take time, effort and using highly costing just to treat a damaged soil caused by chemical fertilizer. My last point is greenhouse contribute to a global warming. The effect is caused by using a greater amount of chemical fertilizer than the plant can absorb, and the excess nitrogen used in crops such as carbon dioxide and nitrogen oxide will leach into the atmosphere, and it can cause a greater damage all over the world. The other disadvantages of using chemical fertilizer is the acidity of chemical fertilizer adversely affect the soil pH and make it acidic. It also can increase the plant disease and destroy beneficial microbes present in the soil. The trace nutrients are not replenished in the soil, and also using a chemical fertilizer can cause the eutrophication phenomena caused by the nutrient level in lake or seas increase because the ground can no longer able to assimilate accumulation of nutrients. Okay, that's all from me. about the disadvantage of using chemical fertilizer for a long term, and I hope everyone can enjoy my speech and understand the disadvantage and the damage of the chemical fertilizer can cause to our nature. That's all from me. Thank you.